everybody. This is Silvey from LLAD Farms. I am the secretary, and that is the president there in the combine, and that's our daughter Dana. And over here is Gina she's Gina from Pasadena, and here's Lowell from Rock Valley. Very good. And so we are on our last pass from the season. Yes, good job, Lowell. This is our final field and our final pass on the field. And I usually start crying about this time, but this year I'm not going to. Am I, Gina from Pasadena? She's a little bit cold. This is a little bit brutal for her. She's used to 90 degrees weathers. So we are nearing the end of our 2022 harvest. I'm sure this is going to be lots of wind, but oh well, hope you can hear me. Have a picture of me too. Oh dear, let's turn this around. There they are. No tears yet. How about if I sing a song? There goes pheasant. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No, let's put that different. If your harvest season's done, clap your hands. If your harvest season's done, clap your hands. Watch out there, Gina from Pasadena. If your harvest season's done, clap your hands. If your harvest season's done, honk your horn. When your harvest season's done, then you get to go shopping. And I'm happy because we're done. Yay! Yay! When you're happy and when your harvest season's done and it's dusty, and I know this done. Look at all the pheasants! Look at all the pheasants! Whoa! We are done! We are done! Woo! Woo! Thanks for a good season. Woo! We are done. 2022 harvest season is done.